Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting piece of technology that's sure to elevate your aerial adventures, the DJI Avata 2 Fly Smart Combo. We found this product with an incredible bundle of features, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what is the DJI Avata 2? This compact FPV, first-person view, drone comes complete with advanced accessories, including the DJI Goggles 3 and the DJI Motion 3 controller, providing an immersive flying experience that feels as though you're right in the cockpit. With its lightweight design and built-in propeller guard, the Avata 2 is engineered for safety and ease of use, making it accessible for both seasoned flyers and newcomers alike. Let's break down some of the standout features of this remarkable drone. First and foremost, the immersive flying experience is a game-changer. With the goggles, you receive prompt visual feedback, allowing you to navigate through the air with breathtaking perspectives. This feature is perfect for thrill seekers who crave the excitement of flying in a way that feels incredibly authentic. Next, we have the intuitive motion control system. Forget about fiddling with complex buttons. With the Avata 2, all you need to do is move your hand. This natural control method makes it easy for beginners to feel confident as they take to the skies. You can effortlessly maneuver the drone, making it feel like an extension of yourself rather than a machine. For those who want to impress with their flying skills, the Avata 2 also allows for easy acrobatics. You can perform stunning flips, rolls, and 180 degrees drifts without any extensive training. This feature not only makes it fun to fly but also helps you capture jaw-dropping footage that's sure to impress your friends and family. Speaking of footage, the drone features a super-wide 155 degrees field of view and an ultra-sharp 1/1.3-inch image sensor, allowing you to shoot stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. Whether you're flying low over landscapes or capturing moments from unique angles, the image quality is exceptional, ensuring that your videos stand out. Safety is another critical aspect of the DJI Avata 2. The built-in propeller guard provides added durability, allowing you to fly more freely in various scenarios without the constant worry of damaging the drone. This makes the Avata 2 a fantastic option for those who want to explore urban environments or tighter spaces. Now, who is this drone suitable for? The Avata 2 is perfect for anyone from hobbyists to content creators. If you're looking to elevate your filmmaking game, this drone is a fantastic tool for capturing high-quality POV content. The lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up, and the included Lightcut app offers numerous templates, simplifying the editing process so you can create stunning videos with ease. Practical use cases are abundant. Imagine taking this drone on a hike, capturing breathtaking aerial shots of the landscape, or using it during family gatherings to document memories from unique perspectives. It's also an excellent tool for real estate professionals looking for dynamic shots of properties. The possibilities are endless. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the DJI Avata 2 drone, DJI Goggles 3, the DJI Motion 3 controller, an intelligent flight battery, propellers, and even a handy USB-C cable for charging. Plus, the bundle includes a 128GB microSD card and a landing pad to ensure you're ready for your first flight. With the DJI Avata 2, you're not just getting a drone, you're investing in an experience that will change the way you see the world from above. Whether you're an experienced flyer or a beginner, this drone is designed to provide hours of fun and creativity. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.